NPC Sack Show. I'm Shem Swerka, SpectrumFitnessProductions.com. I'm here with Jessica Quillian. Got the third place in the Open Class D Bikini. How you feeling about your win tonight, Jessica?
Good. I feel good. I'm happy. Definitely. I'm sorry, I'm nervous. I've never done an interview, so I'm good.
She just gets off the stage. You're in a bikini on stage in front of like 10 million people.
I'm nervous about the interview.
Yeah, no worries. So tell us a little bit about what motivates you to get on stage.
Well, I've always been active and into sports, and honestly, seeing everybody get up here is so motivating. The work that people put in to get on stage is just amazing, and it's such a good reward to see your work up there. I love it. It's so just motivating. It's like you get like this high when you go on stage. It's great.
So what's the most challenging part for you?
The most challenging part for me is juggling a full-time job, a relationship, school, life. That's the hardest thing for me, honestly. I can do the food, I can do the workouts, but juggling work and everything else is pretty hard.
But obviously you're doing it and doing it well. So what's the secret?
You have to find a happy balance. You really do, because I had struggled with that for a long time, and I finally found a balance, and it works for me. You just have to figure it out.
So what's next for you, Jessica?
I'm going to take a little time off, and I'm going to come back in March. And then next year is going to be a busy year for me. A good year, a positive year. I'm excited.
We're going to line up some competitions?
Yes. I'm going for that first place. I'm tackling it. I'm ready.
There you go. Jessica Quillian looking to move up in the ranks. 2014 NPC Sack Show. I'm Shem Swerka, SpectrumFitnessProductions.com.